In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Carparts promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Carparts promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna see many websites. So first of all, you're gonna click on the first website, Coupon Follow. So once you have clicked on this website, you're gonna see many promo codes. So the first one is get 5% off your order with this promo code. And that's the promo code right there. So Carparts 5. So you can copy the promo code. Then you can click continue to carparts.com, which is going to take you to their website. Then you can choose whatever you want and you can use this code at checkout for a 5% discount. Well, there are other codes as well. For example, take $45 off. So this is another code and you can just copy it and follow the same steps to redeem. There are many other codes here. For example, save 10% off. And that's the code for saving a 10% off. So yeah, so there are many codes you can explore. Now I'm going to go to some other website and show you a few more codes. Then you can head over to this website, Retail Me Knots. So I'm gonna click on this website now. Alright, so as you can see, there are many codes. For example, 5% off your next replacement auto parts. So you can click on it. And this is the same code you saw on the first website. But there are many deals. For example, free shipping on select products. So there's an ongoing sale right now on the website, which is gonna give you free shipping. So you can go and choose those products to get a free shipping. Let's go to some other website. So there's this website, Los Angeles Times, so you can click on it as well. You're gonna see many coupon codes. So for example, save up to 70% off on selecting deals from top brands. So you can click the offer. So again, you don't need a code for this. You can directly go to the website and there will be some deals where you can save up to 70% off. So yeah. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.